What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I just landed in Springfield from LA. A lot has happened this month. These past 3 weeks have been insane. I have a lot to share with you guys. But first and foremost, let's pick up where I left off. Of course, you guys know that the last thing that I kind of touched up on with you all was I was getting my second listing set up before I flew to Italy. Well, guys, the thing is, I wasn't able to get my listing set up because the property was being renovated. The landlord was renovating the property and he wasn't finished, like the renovation wasn't gonna be done in time. And so I ended up leaving before we got anything finalized. So right now, it is November 13th. I'm going to sign the lease on my second listing. But like I said before, I'm gonna share everything that goes into this process with you all here on my channel. So if you guys wanna stay tuned for that, you know, you guys are welcome to subscribe. I wanna keep it real with you all, and I wanna share value, share information, share things that will actually help you improve and get better in life. Whatever, right now we're on the way to City Hall. We got a few things to take care of, and I'm signing the lease this afternoon at 3:45, scheduled it. And right now we're currently at the gas station getting gas. So really quickly, thank you all for choosing to be here, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Traveling has been insane, and I want to make that very clear. I have a lot of knowledge and experience that I gained from going to Italy, Amsterdam, Dublin. I mean, there's a ton of cities that I hit. I want to share that with you guys. For those of you all who've chosen to be on my channel and chosen to support me and continue to, let's just say watch me grow and continue to expand and grow my business, thank you all so much. This year has been a life-changing year for me, and I'm grateful for all of you because it's been made possible because of each and every one of you guys. I'm not gonna lie, like, it's been super fast-paced, everything that's been happening behind the scenes. It's something that I'm extremely grateful for. So for those of you guys who don't know, I just recently flew to Italy from Los Angeles. This happened on 26th of October. And since then, I've been traveling Europe with my wife. We've just pretty much been living in hotels, living in the accommodation space for the past 3 weeks. I want to say that I tackled two birds with one stone. I got to see the world, and I got to experience Europe, and I got to travel and like fulfill my dreams. But at the same time, I experienced the accommodation space in full function. Like, I experienced everything there is to experience living out of hotels, living out of Airbnbs, and I think that gave me a lot of knowledge and perspective on what needs to be done and things that I saw that really helped me out and things that I saw value in. Staying at hostels, Airbnbs, and hotels, that is something that I will have with me for life now. Like I said, guys, I learned a lot. Let's just get to the video. I have officially collected my stack of paperwork, and you see here, this is what it costs to get this whole process started. I've told you guys about this before. For those of you who are new here, compliance is exciting. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna have to go through this entire process once again. I'll kind of touch up on it again. For those of you who are informed, Airbnb is under a lot of pressure right now from the government, from like the US government, and you want to be operating legally. That's all I gotta say. I'm doing this the right way. I don't care what anybody says. It's a challenge, but I can definitely take care of it. I'm very confident with what I'm doing, and therefore I will execute it properly. I'll catch you guys later. I'm going to the gym now, and then I'll be signing the lease. Okay guys, just got done working out, and I'm at the second property. I've not showed you guys this property yet, but it's the same size as my other listing. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. The landlord turned the garage into additional square footage, which is why it took so long for the renovation to be done. Initially, like I told you guys before, I was planning on getting the listing up before I left for Italy, which, you know, that was a crazy trip. I'll be releasing a video with all of that footage for you guys here soon. I grabbed a ton of content and it was just an insane time. Such a great learning experience. Like I said, I was in the accommodation space for about 3 weeks, living, experiencing it, seeing what's good, seeing what's bad, what I enjoyed and what could be improved on. Like, that's one of the main things that I took out of that trip as a host, somebody who is providing accommodation for people. I want to make it my case in point that everything I do is top of the line. I'm going to walk you guys through the entire process of me listing this place. I've already purchased a lot of the amenities, a lot of the stuff that goes in the house, like the beds, certain things off Amazon. I already made that video for you all. And so what I'm going to do this next week, by the end of the week, I will try to have this listing live. It is currently Wednesday. I will try to have this up by Sunday, and I will take you guys shopping with me. I guess it's something that I just want to document and kind of share everything, all the details that goes into setting up one of these properties. The rent is $850 a month, and that's about it. Let's get going. Hey guys, we are in the property right now. This is your first glimpse at what the property looks like. Everything is new in the property, including these. These are heating and AC, window mounted units. I got the internet already ordered here, and here's the kitchen. As you guys can see, there's the vinyl flooring everywhere. It's really clean looking, and it's really updated. The kitchen Looks a little bit older, but you know, it does the job. They did the cabinets in white. It's a pretty affordable fix there. And here you see there's new stainless steel appliances, new doors everywhere, and I just am very grateful with how this place turned out. It's about the same price as my current listing, which, as you guys know, is kind of outdated, kind of it's dingy. It's not the nicest place, but everything is new, fresh paint, new windows, new flooring, painted trim everywhere. The doors are new door handles. The bathroom is neat. There's a new vanity, new mirror, and you guys can see it's gonna do the job just fine. The new bathtub, toilet. The coolest thing about getting into something like this, guys, is, you know, this is something that is gonna be beneficial for both me and the landlord. Like, the landlord has a tenant which will now take care of this place. The landlord gave me this property in pristine condition, and he's gonna continue to see this place look pristine and clean and brand new, because that's what we do as Airbnb hosts. That's the biggest selling point by far for anybody looking to get started with this. Just knowing that you're gonna be maintaining and keeping this property in perfect condition. Today I'm actually going to be bringing the furniture in and getting this place listed. I'm very excited to get this place up and running, and one last thing I wanna show you guys is he turned the garage into additional square footage, and that is very awesome of him. He didn't have to do this. Here we are in the garage space. It's pretty tall ceilings right here, and it really opened up the property. There's this plank, there's this plywood that he ran over with white paint, and he did epoxy on the floor so it looks clean. There used to be a big garage door right there that he had his contractor replace. And here is a washer dryer stack. I'll run over the pricing for this property and sort of what it cost me to get it listed. I'm shooting for Sunday, like I said. Everything here, it's coming together really quickly, and I'm excited. I just want to share this with you guys. Like I said, I just got back from Italy. I got the permit application process started. I paid that $350 and we are good to go there. So from here on out, it is just time to turn this into a cash engine. This is gonna be my second unit. I'm gonna be doubling my Airbnb income here in Springfield. I think the coolest thing about this is that you guys saw where I came from, right? I started with zero, and you guys can kind of watch me build this up on my channel. That's why I really love showing you this stuff, even though some people may not think it's remarkable. Some people may think it's, oh, you got 2 properties, like, get to work. I had somebody leave a comment and they said that. It's not a competition. I'm not looking to compete with anybody. It's just what makes me happy. If I'm able to have financial freedom, and if I'm able to travel and spend my money how I want without having to go to work, that's really what it comes down to, in my opinion. Everybody else can do their thing. I'm showing you guys what somebody starting from nothing has to do in order to make this work for themselves. And that's literally what I've been doing. You know, I showed you guys property number 1. Now here I'm at property number 2. And unboxing video coming soon for all the Amazon stuff I ordered, and the furniture is coming in. So stay tuned for that, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And I'm just a new person after that whole trip in Europe. I just want to tell you guys, traveling is the best teacher. You get to experience new things, you get to see things and open up your mind. Your entire mindset shifts and you just become more knowledgeable. It's something that I'm grateful that I figured out, and like, it's something that I will forever pursue in life, is just continuing to build experiences and gain knowledge and see the world. That's what it all comes down to. That's why I like to make money, and that's why I like to have financial freedom, is because I enjoy traveling and I enjoy seeing new places, and I encourage you guys to do the same. And with this business, you definitely can. This is a business that you can completely automate, and you don't have to spend time in the business working. You can completely have a system running for you, making you money. So guys, get out there, build systems, make money. And I appreciate you guys for sticking around for this entire video. And I would appreciate it if you would hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. But before you guys go, here's some B-roll of this property. I really love the way it turned out, and I can't wait to see what it produces.